Okay, so you had number 2 and number 4 of exercise 9. Number 2 looks like this. And I'm going to say the smaller one of the two is x to the power of a third, which I'm going to equate to k. Goed, dan gaan ek sê dit beteken daai word k kwadraat minus 7k plus 10, which I can factorize to x minus 5, x minus 2. No? Is equal to 0. En dan daar is gelijk aan 0 daar neer te skryf, né? In other words, k is equal to 5 or k is equal to 2. Maar ons wil nie vir k oplos nie, ons wil vir x oplos. So ek gaan hom aan albei kante verhef tot die mag 3. Okay, now we check for those two things that we need to check for. Is the top of the fraction an even number? Nee, né? So hoeveel plus minus te hê nie. En hy is ook nie negatief aan die regterkant nie, so both of them have a solution. So x is equal to 125 or x is equal to 8. Got it? Okay. Dan by nommer 4. Moes jy soortgelyk gedoen het, hy het net 'n bietjie moeiliker faktorisering gehad. But luckily you guys have been factorizing since grade 9. I'm going to say k is equal to x to the power of quarter. Onthou jy vat altyd die kleiner ene, né? Gaan tel k gelyk aan die kleiner een van die twee. So ons het 2k kwadraat minus k minus 3 is gelyk aan 0. Like that. Wat kort daar? Die moedie is gelyk aan 0 onthou, né? So in other words, k can be equal to 3 over 2 or k can be equal to negative 1. That, like that. So met ander woorde is x tot die mag 'n kwart is gelyk aan 3 op 4 of x tot die mag 'n kwart is gelyk aan minus 1. Now we have to check for those things again. If it has an even number at the top, we have to remember plus minus, it doesn't. But if it has an even number at the bottom, it can't be equal to a negative number. Do you agree? So then this one has no solution. En hier gaan ons hom net verhef tot die mag 4. Which gives me 81 over 16. Goed. Graad 11 is al enige probleme daar. Julle reg? Julle wakker? Soort van. Ons aan middelste waier af dink ek. Spookie binne. Okay. Dan het julle ook by oefening 10 gehad. Nee, oefening 11. soos wat dit op die bord staan. Vir jou om korrek af te skryf en die regtes te gaan doen. Kyk. Onthou jy soek 'n volkome vierkant maal met iets. A complete square times something. So I'm working with 4 and with 9 and with 16 and with 25 and 36 and those. Okay. So for this first one, I can write that as 9 times 5. Right? For this next one, I can write it as 81 times 2. Because 81 is 9 squared, so it's a complete square. Almal by? This one is 25 times 5. And this one is 36 times 2. So elkeen van hierdie kan ek nou onder die vierkantswortel uithaal. I can take them out because I know what their answer is if I simplify them. So what is the square root of 9? 3, né? So daai 3 gaan uitkom, maar sien julle daar's klaar 5 voor die vierkantswortel, né? So ek gaan hom nou maal met daai 5. So hy word 15 wortel 5. Does everybody understand where I got the 15 from? It already had a 5, and now I took that 3 out as well. So 5 times 3 is 15. Goed. Dan hierdie ene, wat is die vierkantswortel van 81? 9. So ek gaan die 9 uithaal, en die 2 bly onder die wortel. Next one, the square root of 25. And then here I've got 6 root 2. Now, I regard these as like terms and these as like terms. So ek gaan sê 15 minus 5 is 10 wortel 5 wat oorbly. En minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3 wortel 2. Next one up, 1.5. Okay, wat se volkome vierkant kan ek daar uitkry? Ja? 16 times 3. And this one is 4 times 3. And at the bottom, 25 times 3. Good. So all of these are complete squares. So ek gaan haal hulle uit. So dis 4 wortel 3 minus 2 wortel 3 op 5 wortel 3. What sometimes happens is you write, instead of 2, you write 4 there. Because you see the 4 inside. Remember, you are almost applying the square root to the 4 and taking it out. Okay. Nou hanteer ons hulle so soortgelyke terme. So 4 minus 2 is 2 wortel 3 hierbo. Do you guys agree? And these two cancel out. So I'm just left with 2 over 5. You awake? You guys got that? Okay. And the last one you had for homework, similar to this. Okay, so 72 kan ek skryf as 36 maal met 2. Hom kan ek skryf as 4 maal met 2 en die wortel 2 is klaar vereenvoudig. It's already been simplified. So same old story, 6 root 2 minus 2 root 2 over root 2. And what do I do then? I see those third of 2's as similar terms. So ek gaan sê 6 minus 2 los my met 4 wortel 2. And if those cancel out, I'm just left with 4.